Hello and welcome. It is Thursday, March 26, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. When I think about responsibility, I think about more than just day trading right now. This craziness has got me drinking beet juice with wheatgrass in it. It's actually pretty good, y'all. I haven't been trading. I haven't been feeling bad. I've been feeling great. I'm not sick or anything like that. Nobody I know is. I have been kind of going back and forth between the store and just working. This is the time right now for us to really learn. This is the time for us to be prepared for when the next time something like this happens. There's so many of you that are now in my position working from home, not sure about what's going to happen after it's all over, if you're still going to have a position to go back to. A lot of people do have positions that they're able to work from home, and I am so grateful for you. And that is why I do what I do, so I can still be home with my family. So things are just, they're weird right now. So what we can do is we can find a sense of normalcy by creating good habits for ourselves and just really taking the moment to breathe through this and just say that, it's okay. We're taking care of ourselves. We're building on something that can create a better life for us. So let's do it. Let's go ahead and check out this market, because the market has pulled back up quite significantly. You can see we've had some runs to the downside. We've had some runs to the upside. Let's go ahead and check out that daily market. Okay, that daily chart. And we can see what's happened. Look at these BBs. Look how wide they got. Now, the really, really white BBs doesn't mean it's going to turn around completely, but it does mean that it has a significant pullback in play for it, and we are seeing a very significant pullback. So it did breach that area right here that we had talked about for a while, and now it's pulled so far back. We've gotten a nice, good pullback here. It doesn't mean that it's going to keep going, but we can see, we can watch what's happening, and I believe in resilience. Okay, so let's check out what's happening on our 10-946. Did show a little bit of potential for the pullback, which it did. Yeah, got too hasty. Back down, grab it again. Ooh. Oh, I couldn't even move it fast enough. There we go. So it was a little too quick on the draw, and I did chase it on this one. I did chase it a little bit. It's a mess. Let's just look over here real quick. Look at that mess. I don't like when people are fighting and there's drama and you're like, I don't want to be a part of that. That's what this is right here. I'm not going to be part of any of that drama. No way. I'll stay in my lane and just watch it. And it could take off in one direction or another, and that is okay. I'm going to think about that from now on. This is going to be drama. This is like people trying to pull me in. Come on, Lindsay, didn't I say, didn't they say, didn't she say, I wasn't there. I wasn't part of that. Y'all go ahead and work your own junk out. I'm going to sit back here and do my own thing. Whenever it's time for things to cool down, I'll join again, but I'm not going to be part of your drama. That's what's happening right now. Ooh, I see it. I see it. I see it. It's begging me to be a part. Please, Lindsay, we need your opinion. No, you're just going to leave me out of your drama. Whenever you're ready to act like adults again, we can talk about that. We're going to see a pullback here. All these tiny little bars, it's weak going down, but it's at that top Bollinger Band. So there we go. I'm anticipating a pullback. Some really white BBs. There we go. So just trying to push it through there. I do think it's gonna go. It's probably right here. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. I'm calling this a day. Let's see what that last one even got me. 6.0. And then the last one, which will go all the way to the end. 2.0. 0.0. Okay. I'm gonna call that a day. That was a little tough. I mean, you know, any day like what's been going on lately has been a little bit tough. You have to be very quick on the draw. So my first one, I got in just a little quickly and it came back and stopped me and went right away. My second one, I did chase it a little bit with the 2 long bars and it's starting to push up. It gave me signs, and so I just chased at it because I knew it was about to give us a good pop. The last one was a game of patience. I moved my wrist to a break even. I watched it come back several times and I told myself, Lindsay, get out, Lindsay, get out. No, just hold, just hold. And it was coming up to a resistance area that was pretty strong. So getting out of that would have been a better idea. But I did think a little smarter and move my wrist up to 0.25, which it actually slipped past there and got a break even for me. You got to be ready if you're going to trade like this. Now, like I said before, this is a time to learn. This is a time for people who are not prepared for this kind of market to take a breath, to go back through market replays, to go back through previous days, do bar by bars, do old market replays, simulate if you're going to trade this stuff. I would not right now, unless you've got a strategy that allows for a little bit of adjustment in the way that you enter or the way that you exit. It's a little scary at times, but you know what, guys? It's doable and things will get back to normal, and we got to be ready for it. So you can tell yourself that you're going to be ready for it next time, or you can be ready for it next time. So that's all I got to say, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Stay strong, my friends. That is my message today. Stay strong. I love y'all, and I've got every single one of you on my minds. And guys, as always, besides catching you on the safe side, you know I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.